What's the meaning of astrophysics? Astrophysics. Astrophysics.
Astrophysics. Astrophysics. Astrophysics is a branch of physics that studies the physical properties and behavior of objects and phenomena in the universe, including stars, galaxies, black holes, and cosmic rays. With advanced scientific instruments and mathematical models, astrophysicists investigate the nature and evolution of the cosmos, as well as the fundamental laws of physics that apply to all matter and energy. By exploring the mysteries of the universe, astrophysics has helped us gain a deeper understanding of our origins, our place in the universe, and the physical laws that govern our world.